My name is Sheryl Kingstone. I am the Research Vice President for a channel called Customer Experience in Commerce at 451 Research. The current state of customer experience is actually extremely important today. Experience and not price and products are what is going to be the differentiator in the future. And when we do take a look at the overall importance of customer experience, we're putting a lot of emphasis on things like behavioral data, and the ability to get that single customer profile is driving a lot of the initiatives and use cases out there, from ad tech and marketing and campaign acquisition through customer service and support, along with the ability to really understand different ways of getting at identity. Data is really what's driving the experience economy, because emotion is what we're really trying to harness. And when we take a look at a data-driven experience, it's really about that behavioral data. So organizations are embracing digital transformation initiatives that can really embrace new tools and techniques, from applications through data infrastructure, to improve the overall customer experience. The missing link in a lot of these initiatives is that IT and line of business aren't necessarily collaborating. So while marketing might understand exactly what they want from a business initiative standpoint in a use case, IT is the one that has the background in how to potentially uncover a lot of the hidden assets. They also have to understand that the role of underused data, which is a lot of the behavioral data across multiple different devices, whether those be in the connected devices, whether they're being in the mobile apps or on the website, is actually pretty complicated today. It's about using the data a little bit more, or a lot more, effectively to create those contextually relevant, immersive experiences, such as next best actions, product recommendations. And when we take a look at collaboration, we have to take a look at what marketing needs from using those behavioral assets within the organization. But how is IT bringing a lot of the intelligence of the modern stack? And so the future really relies on a collaboration between IT and line of business. Marketing can't do it on its own, but neither can data science. And the reason for this is that the empowered customer is demanding a brand new modern technology stack. But when I look at who is planning and orchestrating and managing the overall customer experience, 50% of organizations state that there is one department in charge. But then the other 50% say there's multiple departments in charge. And when we do look at which departments are in charge, it's very fragmented, from IT actually leading the cause to then customer service and marketing and the digital experience. Each department has their use case and what they're trying to do to improve the overall customer experience. Each needs their own lens and their way of using the data. So that's why it's really important that marketing and IT and all the different departments collaborate. Machine learning and AI is playing an incredible role in improving the overall customer experience. If you look at what we're really trying to do, is we're trying to uncover hidden assets of what the customer is really wanting. So this is about understanding intent. And where AI and machine learning come into play is, yes, it can help you with uncovering a lot of those hidden assets, but it can also help you understand and identify who that customer is. You can use machine learning and AI for contextual matching so that you know exactly who the customer is that you're trying to speak to. But then also, once you bring that into a true identity, you can use machine learning and AI for things like contextual recommendations, product content. All of this is creating more of a scalable way to show immersive applications to your customers. The road ahead for improving the overall customer experience really comes down to understanding how to succeed. And so at 451 Research, we've built what's called a customer intelligence maturity model. So companies that are really looking to put in place a customer intelligence platform are really questioning, where do they start? What are they looking for? So it can help you understand where the business processes are. What is the right data that you're trying to bring to the table? Where is the algorithms, and how do I use those algorithms at the right time within the point of the customer journey? And all of these is where companies need guidance. And so what is the role that IT can play to improve that overall customer journey? And what is the role that some of these new platforms can help marketing or service? And so it really comes down to understanding how you can get, again, at that unified customer profile, uncovering a lot of the data that you have within your organization. And so there are vendors out there that are really trying to help businesses use the data. For example, Syntasa is one that is very good at applying machine learning intelligence to provide the right identity and machine learning matching. That's really going to help IT and line of business collaborate, because it really is all about providing that transparent data architecture within the cloud environment that is of their choice. And so if you're really looking to understand how to move down the path of creating a customer intelligence platform and leveraging it from a maturity model standpoint, that's really where these new tools and resources can help.